Welcome back to Bunny Barn Acres. Today we're going to do an oil change on the 2024 KIOTI NS 6010 HST. I'm at about 160 hours, so I'm slightly over the 150 mark, which is recommended by KIOTI. Alright, let's go check out what kind of oil and what kind of filter to use. So the dealership sells me the Klondike brand. They don't actually carry the KIOTI brand. Gotta trust the dealership, I suppose. And there's your filter number, E6201-32443. Now let's go do the oil change. Come on in. Well, we arrived at the garage where all the tools are, so let's take a look at where everything is and give you guys an idea how to do this. Let's start with popping the hood. Okay, so we got a lever right here. And now we can access everything nicely. So the KIOTI NS has two drain plugs because it is split into, I'm going to get under there and show you. You're going to need a 17 millimeter socket. Alright, so you got one here and one here. And it's because the drive shaft splits the difference. As you can see right here. Not the worst thing I've ever seen, but it's bizarre. Guess I don't know if you can see it right here, but the oil filter is on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and take that off. Totally up to you, but it's never a bad thing to just give it a bit of a wipe. So you got, I mean, you see, you get a lot of dirt buildup, dust buildup. Okay, let's go ahead and get that new filter on. Always a good idea. Get some on the rubber bushing. All right, let's get her on. Let's also put a little bit of oil just here. You don't have to.
What? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing an oil change.
What is that?
That's dirty oil. I like to go as tight as I possibly can with my hand,
Yeah.
and then put the wrench on, and I'll give her just a quarter turn, and that should be good. Alright, so we can see where the oil filter is. Now we want to locate the fill port, which is right here. And I'm not gonna lie, I love my KIOTI tractor, but this is not easy to fill. Get the port open. There we go. As you can see what I mean, it's not ideal. I got an arm in my way. If I do it from up top, I can't see much. Anyways, we got to go back under the tractor and put the bolts back in so we don't put the brand new stuff right back on the ground. Okay, so I like to go hand tight. About a half a turn or so. Alright, there's the port, you can see. There's your dipstick. Right here. Let's check it. Oh. Not very clear. I wish you could see it better, but she's full. We are good to go. Let's give her a start and make sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. There you have it. That's how you do an oil change on a KIOTI NS 6010 hydrostat. There's a lot of videos of oil changes for KIOTIs. However, there's hardly anything about the NS or the NX, which are very similar units. So thanks for watching guys, and if you guys can hit like, subscribe, and or share, that would be huge for the channel. Thanks guys. I want to keep these KIOTI videos coming along because like I said again, there's not very many of the NS and the NX. Take care.